Morning on this beautiful day. I have a Karcher K2 basic jet wash and the lance is a bit too big, so I went on and got one of these little things with an extra long hose. Already got a snow foam canner, and it makes things so much easier when washing the bike. The cleaning products I use are Motor Verde. I'm not sponsored or linked with them in any way, shape or form. I just like their stuff and it works. And to dry the bike, use a pet dryer. Same as the bike ones, but cheaper. And that, my friends, is that. Take care, ride safe.